Welcome. My name is Misha. I'm here at Dorado at Beach Walk in front of the beautiful Trinidad floor plan. 3,228 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths. Let's take a look inside. From the moment you walk into this beautiful floor plan, you see all the natural light with the windows behind me. It just offers a great ambiance to this beautiful floor plan. Stepping into the beautiful formal dining room, imagine your own personal pendant lighting here. It's just absolutely gorgeous with the beautiful staircases. This house is a wow house. You walk in and that's the first thing that you say. Another favorite feature of mine in this home is the kitchen. I get to see everyone in the home, from my family and friends at the dining room table to everyone sitting in the couch. I can even watch television from here. If we're entertaining in the backyard, I could see straight back there. That's one of my favorite features with all the natural light flooding in. Natural lighting is the name of the game for this floor plan. With 2 doors leading to the exterior patio and lots of windows, allows natural lighting to flow freely through this home. Our bathroom is the owner's dream with double vanity, frameless shower. What's not to like? If you thought the first floor was beautiful, look at the view from the second. It's probably one of my favorite things about this home. If you, like my family, fight over the TV all the time, this loft is perfect. Plenty of room for your second television. With the beautiful outdoor kitchen and this amazing backyard, it's an entertainer's dream. Call me for more information and see how this can be your next home.